You have learned these words. Now I will teach you some grammar in the continuation of present simple tense. The firstly, in last session, in the first that was an introductory session, you learned about the use of present simple tense. Anyone can tell me where we use that? And I will just give you the review again once more. Farah Muazzam. Farah, can you tell me? Okay, I think she was not here. Faria Asad. Yeah, Faria Asad, you can tell me.
The present indefinite tense we use mostly to tell our daily routine.
Yeah. So we describe our repeated action in present simple tense. ठीक है, तो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि मैं एक मिनट आपको जो है उसको रिव्यू करवा देता हूँ दोबारा, so that will briefly and then we will move forward. ठीक है, just let me share the screen once more. Present simple we use to describe our repeated actions. We describe our repeated action in daily in present simple tense. और फिर मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि कौन कौन से जो है वो सब्जेक्ट के कितने टाइप्स होते हैं ये मैं बताया था. सब्जेक्ट किसे कहते हैं? एनीवन कैन टेल मी व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट?
Subject is the person who work.
सब्जेक्ट किसे कहते हैं?
Subject is noun and pronoun and the person who work.
Okay. Faria, okay. Faria Hasan, can you tell me what is subject? बिरयानी मसाले का नाम तो नहीं है कहीं?
No. Subject is basically a doer, like he, she, it, they.
Okay, subject is called doer of action. काम करने वाले को कहते हैं. ठीक है, और उसकी 3 टाइप्स हैं, ये आप लोगों ने पढ़ी थी. फर्स्ट टाइप फर्स्ट पर्सन, वो कौन कौन से थे फर्स्ट पर्सन में? कौन बताएगा? फर्स्ट पर्सन सब्जेक्ट किसे कहते हैं? आई और वी को.
We.
ठीक है, और सेकंड पर्सन
You.
You
or they.
and they.
नहीं, ये नहीं है, सिर्फ यू है. ठीक है, थर्ड पर्सन
You है.
Okay.
He, she, it.
थर्ड पर्सन में इसके अलावा जितने भी आएंगे वो कौन से होंगे? ही, शी, इट,
She, it.
अली, वी, अली, अहमद, बॉयज, व्हाटएवर. ठीक है. अच्छा, अभी मैं कुछ सेंटेंस बताऊंगा, आप लोगों ने मुझे बताना है कि फर्स्ट पर्सन मैंने यूज किया है, सेकंड पर्सन यूज किया है, थर्ड पर्सन यूज किया है. ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन and I will say some sentences. You need to tell me and I will pick the student. The student will tell me which subject I use. First person use, second person or third person. So my first question goes to Tuba Hassan. Tuba.
Yes, sir.
Tuba Hassan. My brother
Yes, sir.
works hard. My brother works hard. My brother is the first person, second person or third person?
Sir, I think first person. I.
My brother works hard. Again think. एक चांस मैंने आपको और दिया.
Second person.
No, sir. It is not first person.
Okay, wait. Tuba
Second.
Hassan will tell me. Tuba Hassan will tell me. Yeah, Tuba Hassan. Yes. My question was.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, third person है.
Third. अच्छा, एक मिनट. Farah Muazzam, you tell me. Farah Muazzam. My brother goes to school. My brother कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है? First person, second person, third person?
Third है.
Sir, third.
Okay, third है. ठीक है. Okay. Aina Askar, you tell me now. Aina Askar, you tell me now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Ali plays cricket. Cricket कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है? First person, second person या third person? Ali plays cricket. Cricket कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है?
Sir, cricket is not subject. This is object.
Object.
हाँ, शाबाश. जागते रहना, मैं चेक करते रहूंगा कौन कौन सो रहा है, कौन कौन जाग रहा है क्लास में. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir. But Ali is third person.
हाँ, अली इज अ थर्ड पर्सन. ठीक है. सो माय ब्रदर, माय जो था वो भी थर्ड पर्सन था. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
आयशा उमर, यू टेल मी. आयशा उमर.
जी सर.
आई डिड नॉट गो टू स्कूल. आई कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है ये? फर्स्ट पर्सन. ठीक है, शाबाश. ये तो आप लोगों को अब याद हो गया. नाइला मेहर, इट्स माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोज टू यू. नाइला मेहर. नाइला मेहर, जी नाइला, आप बताएं,
Yes,
आप कहाँ
sir.
से बात कर रही हैं?
Sir, I am from Karachi.
ठीक है, आप बताएं यू कौन सा सब्जेक्ट है?
Sir, you second person.
ठीक है, शाबाश, ये आप लोगों को याद हो गया ना, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन। ठीक है, अब जो है
Yes, sir.
पहले लास्ट टाइम मैंने आप लोगों को स्ट्रक्चर बताया था कि फर्स्ट पर्सन, अच्छा कि ये जो है प्रेजेंट सिंबल का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, हाउ वी कंस्ट्रक्ट एंड हाउ वी फॉर्म दिस सेंटेंस। फर्स्टली सब्जेक्ट आएगा, उसके बाद वर्ब की कौन सी फॉर्म आती है इसमें?
Sir, first
First
form.
form.
वर्ब की
Form of
कितनी
verb.
form? समन आप बताएं, वर्ब की कितनी फॉर्म्स होती हैं, 6 या 7?
सर 3 होती हैं, लेकिन हम ing यूज करते हैं इन
हाँ।
फॉर्म, तो वो 4 हो जाती हैं।
हाँ,
4 forms.
तो 6
4
तो नहीं है
फॉर्म
ना?
ऑफ वर्ब।
ठीक है,
नो सर।
ठीक है, हाँ जागते रहो बेटा। ठीक है, तो उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट। ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट आएगा, वर्ब आएगा, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट आएगा। अब मैं लिख रहा हूँ कुछ सेंटेंसेस। वी प्ले क्रिकेट, कौन सा टेंस है ये? वी प्ले क्रिकेट, प्रेजेंट सिंपल,
Present indefinite. Present indefinite.
प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है।
Present indefinite.
ठीक है, वी प्ले क्रिकेट। अच्छा, अब मैंने उस दिन भी आप लोगों को बताया था, रिपीट कर रहा हूं, अगर आपका जो सब्जेक्ट होगा वो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर होगा प्रेजेंट सिंपल के अंदर, तो हमें वर्ब के आखिर में एस या ई एस ऐड करना पड़ता है। ठीक है, अगर आपका थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट होगा, जैसे ही हो गया, ही का मतलब क्या है? एक मिनट, ही किसे कहते हैं? तूबा हसन आप बताएं, ही किसको कहते हैं, बुक को या पेन को?
Sir, it's a person.
हाँ, इट्स अ प्रोनाउन। ठीक है,
Yeah.
तो ही, अब देखें ही के बाद हम जो वर्ब लगा रहे हैं, ही प्ले क्रिकेट, तो ये रॉन्ग है, ही प्ले क्रिकेट। तो हमने वर्ब के
He
आखिर में क्या
plays
ऐड करना है? एस ऐड करना है,
Plays as.
प्लेस क्रिकेट। ठीक है, और कभी कभार हमें ईएस भी ऐड करना पड़ेगा, अगर वर्ब के आखिर में ओ आ रहा हो, जैसे गो है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? गोज, ईएस है। ठीक है, असेस है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? असेसिस।
Assesses.
ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
इसी तरह अगर डू है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Does.
Does.
हाँ, इसको डूज नहीं पढ़ देना। ठीक है,
Does.
वो मैं एक लैंग्वेज पढ़ रहा था तो एक पठान भी था, तो पता सर ये डूज हो गया, तो ये it's a does. Understand? So this rule applies to every singular subject of third person. ठीक है, so now can you make some sentences in present simple tense using first person, second person and third person subject? आप लोग कोई भी 5 सेंटेंस बताएं जल्दी जल्दी से, जिससे मैं पूछूंगा वही
I
बताएगा।
work hard.
एक
I
मिनट,
work hard.
एक मिनट, जिससे मैं पूछूंगा वही बताएगा। फरिया असद, आपने बताना है शी के साथ, यूज शी।
She is a very conscientious person.
She is a conscientious person. Okay, your sentence is 100% right. There is no doubt about that. But I want you to use verb as opposed to using state verb. Okay, you use state verb, so you can use other verb like go, play, cook, run, read.
Okay.
Sing. Yeah.
She plays piano very well.
Okay, so you are also fond of listening music. It reflects upon that. Are you?
Sir, I am fond of, ringing guitar, using guitar.
You have guitar at home?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. How from where you learned that? How to play guitar?
I am learning.
Okay, you are learning. You are in the middle of learning. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Aina Askar, now you tell me. Aina Askar, you tell me. Use he.
He is a good boy.
Okay,
He-
obviously when you say he, it means that he is a boy. Okay, so
Good.
can you use any verb like play, run, drink?
Okay.
Eat? Yeah.
He run very fast.
He
He
run or
plays-
runs?
He runs.
Ah,
He runs
very
very
fast.
fast.
Okay, so
He
Aina Askar, what is
plays
your
cricket
routine?
very
What
well.
is Aina Askar? What is your routine? Means what you like to do?
Sir, I am housewife and I have very typical routine because I have 2 small kids. So there are responsibilities are on me, teaching and some else. So I have no time to Get any hobby.
Oh my God, you are bound to do a lot of things. Okay, Tuba Hassan, you need to make a
Yes,
sentence.
sir.
My brother. Tuba Hassan, use my brother in your sentence.
Hello, sir, my voice is
Yeah, I can. Yeah, you are audible to me. Go ahead, speak.
okay, sir. Sir, repeat your question.
Use my brother
Use my brother in
in your sentence.
sentence.
Hmm.
My brother goes to work. My brother goes their work is if my brothers means my brothers goes their work every day.
Hmm. Okay, my brother goes. ठीक है, Bushra.
No, my brother
Yes,
go
sir.
Hmm.
their
My brother
work.
go or my brother goes. Tuba Hassan again.
Sir, my brother goes for his work.
Goes. Okay, for his work. Okay, ठीक है, fine. Bushra, we
Yes, sir.
use we.
Yes, sir.
We.
We always play cricket in the evening.
ठीक है. Aisha Umair, my son.
Yes, sir. Ji,
My son.
my son enjoys outside the house.
Okay, fine. You have son?
Yes, I have 4 sons.
Oh my God, you have 4 sons, and do you have any daughter as well?
No,
Oh, so you enjoy having sons, or do you need daughter as well? I think you are having very tough time out of your sons.
yes, I have tough time, but I also enjoys a lot with my sons.
Okay. Naila Meher, now it's your turn. Naila Meher. Naila,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
You use my sister.
My sister likes painting.
Okay, your sister likes painting, but you don't like. So there is always argument between you and between your sister.
No, sir, I also like.
You also like painting because you have to like painting, otherwise she will beat you, I think. ठीक है.
But sir, I like Islamic type of painting,
Islamic
and
life.
she likes to paint like different sceneries or such kind of painting.
Okay, stunning views, beautiful views. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Saman Zahra, you tell me. Saman Zahra, you can make any sentence out of any subject. Saman.
Sir, my mother makes delicious food for me.
Oh my God, can you also make delicious food for your mother, or your mother always makes delicious food for you?
Sir, my mother always makes for me.
Okay, you are bent on eating food as opposed to giving a helping hand to your mother.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God,
I am
so
like
means
that.
your
Sir,
mother
she
is
just
responsible.
eating.
Okay, yeah, you have a sister here. Tuba Hassan will tell me everything, so you cannot get away with
Yes, sir.
anything, whatever you say. Okay, Samazara, no, it's not good. Okay, because it's not good. You need to just offer something your mother, give her helping hand. Okay, in her ritual.
But especially Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, Saturday, Sunday, she never wakes up on time. I think she's always late. She oversleeps. Okay, Ali Raza.
Yes, sir.
Ali
Happen.
Raza, you tell me. Ali Raza, I'm very surprised because you are from village and you are attending the session. Okay, it reflects upon that you have electricity, you have all the facilities in your village that you can attend the session.
Yes, of course, sir. Electricity as well as also available in my village.
Okay, so you are what is the near city to your village?
Sir, the name of my tehsil is Samundri, as well as Jichkot and Tanewala, Sitiana are the near, and my district is Faisalabad.
Okay, your district is Faisalabad. Okay, but you live in Samundri and it's a village.
Yes, sir. Samundri is my tehsil and it is also a small city, but
small
I live in a village.
Okay,
Yes,
you live
sir.
in a village. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And what is your education?
Sir, I am a student of BS English Literature.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And you, which university you go?
GC University,
Okay,
Faisalabad.
fine enough. And what's your future planning? So you want to become a teacher, or you have other plans to do?
Sir, I have a plan that I want to become an CSP, a CSP officer.
Okay,
I
okay,
want to
okay.
do CSS.
Okay, so you need to work on that, and English is an integral, a core part of that, you know, in order to pass the exam.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course, sir.
Okay, fair. So can you make any sentence with third person singular subject?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
She takes tea every day.
Okay, good.
He plays very well.
Okay, very good. Okay, now two more
Yes.
things we have to cover in today's session. Okay, and then I will share the worksheet with you guys on WhatsApp group. You have to do that worksheet by tomorrow. ठीक है, कल जब क्लास में आके ये नहीं कहना कि जैसे बच्चों के एक्सक्यूजेस होते हैं ना, you are not supposed to put any excuse tomorrow in my class. सर वो ये
No,
हुआ
sir.
था, ये हुआ था, बच्चे तंग कर रहे थे मुझे, और समन ज़ाहिर है नहीं, मम्मा घर पे नहीं थी तो खाना मुझे पकाना पड़ गया. So I won't accept that.
Electricity नहीं थी.
ठीक है, या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी, ठीक है, मैं जहाँ काम कर रही थी पेपर पे पानी गिर गया, ठीक है, मेरी कॉपी
सर
फट
सर
गई.
में दर्द
You
बहुत
won't
था.
Okay, anyway, so
So, sir,
Thank you so much. Thank
excuses.
you so much.
anyway, so two more okay, so ये जो है ना, ये आप लोगों ने पढ़े अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस, ठीक है, पॉजिटिव. अब नेगेटिव कैसे बनाना है, इंटरोगेटिव, so you will learn today. बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है. जब मैं कुछ दो सेंटेंसेस लिखूंगा आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएंगे. एक है वी प्ले क्रिकेट, बहुत सिंपल सेंटेंस है, वी प्ले क्रिकेट, ठीक है, ही प्लेज क्रिकेट. अब ये देखें, जहां पे अगर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर के अलावा कोई और सब्जेक्ट है तो नेगेटिव बनाने के लिए हमने सिर्फ डू नॉट लगाना है. वी डोंट प्ले क्रिकेट. अंडरस्टैंड? वी डोंट प्ले क्रिकेट. अगर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है तो डज नॉट लगाना है. ही डजंट प्ले क्रिकेट. समझ में आ गया? गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अच्छा, अब आ गए, इसी को इंटेरोगेटिव में चेंज करना है. क्वेश्चन किसी से पूछना है तो डू को पहले लगा देंगे, इसी तरह डज को पहले लगा देंगे. दैट्स इट. सो दैट बिकम्स नेगेटिव इंटेरोगेटिव. होपफुली ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and let me just discuss one more thing, and it is worth discussion. Some students are, they want me to change the time of the class. So I need to discuss with you guys what time suits you and what time all of you are available. Means
7 to 8 is suitable. sir.
we can.
Sir,
Let me-
nine is suitable.
Let me put
Nine
my
to 10.
suggestion to you. Let me put my suggestion. So even though I can start the class at 6:40 till 7:30, 7:40. Okay, this is one suggestion. Okay, second suggestion is that we can start the class at 9 o'clock, 9 to 10. So whatever the time
Sir,
is
it's
convenient for
very
you, you
convenient.
can let me
It's
know.
good, sir. 9.
9 to 10.
Sir,
Sir.
I think
Sir, is
8 to 9
because
is sufficient
I
time.
teach tuition.
अच्छा, 8 to 9 जो है ना, 8 to 9 है वो, because females have to do a lot of things like cook food
Yes,
and
sir.
Sir, 8
Sir, 7 to
to
8.
9 is convenient for.
no, Saman, Zara, you have to only
9
eat
to
na.
10.
Saman, you have to only eat.
Nine
You
to
don't have to do
10.
anything. So every time is
Yes,
good for you. It's respective 7, 6 or 8. Okay. So there are.
Sir, 9 to 10 is convenient for.
That's why 9 to 10 is convenient. Okay.
For all.
Okay. I will give you some options on WhatsApp group so you can decide on that. Okay. So inshallah we will continue our class tomorrow at decided time. Okay. Thank you so much, and I will share all these words with you, and I will share the worksheet with you on WhatsApp, and you have to do by tomorrow. Okay. Allah Hafiz and take care.
sir.
Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.